Understanding lip contour, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, lip contour. It's a term you might have heard in beauty tutorials or read in fashion magazines. We'll break down what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Lip contour refers to the practice of defining and shaping the lips using makeup. It involves using a lip liner and lipstick to create a more pronounced and desirable shape. This technique can make the lips appear fuller, more symmetrical, or more defined. It's a popular trend in the beauty industry. The concept of lip contouring isn't new. It has been around for decades, evolving with changing beauty standards. It gained significant popularity with the rise of celebrities and makeup artists showcasing this technique on social media platforms. While lip contour is primarily a beauty term, it has seeped into everyday language as well. People might use it metaphorically to talk about enhancing or highlighting something. For example, she contoured her presentation with impressive facts, using the concept of contouring to mean enhancing in a non-beauty context. In beauty, I'm learning how to do a lip contour to make my lips look fuller. Metaphorically, he contoured his argument with well-researched data. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, lip contour, and how you can use it both in beauty-related discussions and metaphorically. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases often find new meanings in different contexts. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.